Hi, so my name is Rachel, and this is my first YouTube video update on our application When&Where. So when the user opens our app for the first time, they'll see these onboarding screens, which kind of just gives them an idea of what our app is all about, and then they can click Let's Start, and they will view the login page. They'll be able to sign in if they already have an account. If not, they can click the sign up here, and it'll bring them to the create account screen. And this is the screen I was working on the previous sprint. So this was what I was working on for the past couple weeks. Um, so the user can come here and create their account. I'm just gonna demo this real quick. Okay. And then after they create an account, they'll be, I think, automatically logged in, and they'll be able to view the home screen. And if the user already does have an account, I'll just use the one I just created. Then they'll log in and be able to see the home screen. So that was just a quick demo of what we have so far. Now jumping into GitHub. This is what I was working on in the very beginning. I'm still getting used to React Native, so this was me just displaying, this is supposed to be a registration screen onto the simulator. And next, if we jump in, this is me trying to, I put all the components that I made here in the order that I wanted them to appear on the screen. I don't know if this is the best way to do it, but it's how I did the create an account screen. So I have the header, the registration form, the footer, and the button. Scrolling down here is the footer file. The footer was where it said, by creating an account, you agree to our terms of service and privacy policy. And then here's just my styling. And here's the header, which just said create account. The registration button and the form with all the text boxes for the name, email, password. And then moving on, here I was just working on some of the little styling issues. So here, touchable without feedback, I made it so when the user is in a text box, then they can just click anywhere on the screen and the keyboard will go away. One thing that I do that isn't implemented yet that I do want to add is that if the user is here on confirm password and the keyboard comes up, it just completely covers the button. Maybe I can find a way to push the content up. Let's see. I think it does that on the login screen too. But yeah, and so then going on to Team Gantt. I don't have the reports tab on my account, but here, if I go to last week, here shows the hours that I put in for the last sprint, and then moving on to our current sprint that we're on, sprint 3. Here are my tasks. We're going to create the placeholder screens. So right now when you log in and it just says home screen, we're going to create those screens. So my tasks are to create the plan option screen, the share plan screen, and the collaboration screen. So that's what I'll be working on the next sprint. And yeah, I think that's it. Thanks.